Hey team, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get a return on your investment of over 20% through the Webull app. Webull's an awesome partner that gives you the opportunity to invest in stocks, commission free, no fees, and it's a really easy to use mobile first platform that also has a web app that's really great. So if you're interested in personal finance content, tips, tricks, and ways to save money, and me helping you get all the free money that I can, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button, and let's hop right into it. Okay, so let me break the deal down for you. Webull is an online brokerage similar to like a Robinhood that you've probably heard of, and they allow you to trade stocks from your phone or through their online app, their web portal, free, no commissions, and it's a great platform that really has a robust system behind it so that you can see a lot of tracking and news and updates. But what they're doing right now, normally they'll offer you one free stock if you deposit $100 onto the platform. You don't have to trade, you don't have to do anything else other than just deposit the $100 to get the free stock. But right now, what they're offering is three free stocks starting at $8 each and could be all the way up to $1,600. So you're guaranteed to get at least three stocks worth $8. So that's a $24 return on your $100 investment into the platform. And they will make these available. It takes about 2 weeks. So it's a really short holding period. So if you annualize that return, it's really substantial. Really easy to do. The sign up bonus is great, but I like the platform just in general. And it's one that I personally use and enjoy for whenever I'm trading stocks. So let me show you how to do this. So I've got my wife's phone here and I'm mirroring the screen for you. So this is what the referral offer looks like. So make sure to click that at the link in the description here and make sure you do it quick. It's a special limited time offer. They're doing this just until the 30th of this month, which is October. After that, it'll probably revert back to the one or possibly two free stocks, but do it now so you can get all three. So if you look here, you'll see what it's instructing you to do, and it'll tell you what else that is available. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the sign up button here. So it's going to load, and so then I'm going to do the mobile sign up. So here, this is going to be my wife's phone number that I'm going to put here. So while I do this, you're going to get to see my face over this. So after you successfully put in your phone number and select a password and then get the verification code, it's going to say, congratulations, you've joined Webull, now download the app. So it will prompt you that, and then you go here and hit get. So after it downloads, you can go ahead and hit open. All right, so you can learn about Webull here if you want to do more. Hit get started, then it's going to ask if you would like notifications. So you can either allow or disallow. I'm just going to say don't for now. You can always go back and change it. So then now it's going to show your account information. I clicked on open account, and so then here you'll see, and it's going to prompt you to sign in. So I'm going to go mobile login, and I'll log in with the phone number here. After logging in, you can see here, congrats, you've successfully received a 3-month subscription to Level 2 Advanced. So if you want to learn more about this, you can click About. This is free, truly free, and it's not going to force you into a subscription. Once it's done, it just goes away. All right, so you can read more about what it does here and the information that provides you. It is useful and helpful as you're doing various assessments here and what you want to know, but I'll leave it to you to read that in more detail. So I'm just going to go back here into the account. So now that I'm in the menu screen, I'm going to go to account opening bonus. And then here, it's going to say deposit now. Ignore that it just says one free stock here. It already recognized that you have the promotion. Okay, so here it prompts you then open account. So now we've only created the login. So at this point, you're going to have to put in all of your personal information. So it's going to go ask for your name, gender, date of birth, marital status, social security, citizenship, and so on. So you will need to fill this out. Of course, this is protected information. They are a brokerage, so this is secured information. But because they do financial transactions, they are required to collect your information. So go ahead and fill this out. The next screen is going to ask you about your employment status. So here you would just select if you're employed, self-employed, student, so on. You would do the nature of your business, what that falls under, and then your employer name, and then hit continue. Next, it's going to ask you for your identification. So Webull has to comply with the SEC and FINRA, and so part of the collection that they require is a validation of your ID. So you can do driver's license, state ID, passport. So in this case, we'll do driver's license. You have to put in ID number, expiration date, and then take a quick photo of it. So I'm going to do that, and then hit continue, and be right back on. Next, it's going to ask you a few more questions just to finalize. Are you or a family member a senior executive or 10% or greater shareholder of a publicly traded company? Most likely that answer is going to be no. If the answer is yes, you probably don't need to be signing up to get $24 or more. But we're going to leave that as a no here. Are you or a family member a senior political figure or politically exposed person? No, I try not to expose myself, so no. Are you or a family member employed with a member firm of a stock exchange or FINRA registered broker? Also no here. So I would imagine for most of you out there, the answer is going to be no. But if it is yes, make sure to indicate so by clicking on the toggle there. And then we're going to hit continue. You would get a confirmation next that has your social, and then you would just hit continue. And so now it says account opening and margin account, cash account, and then it gives you some other things here. So we're just going to stick with the cash account. You don't really want to play around with margin too much if you don't know what you're doing. If you're a novice, just stick with cash. Then you only trade what you have available in your account. And then here, securities trading, stocks and ETFs. I'm going to leave off options right now just because they're a little more volatile. And if you don't have a solid understanding, it's not necessarily something you want to play around in. So for now, we'll just hit continue. Here's all of the disclosures. So you'll want to take a look here. There's quite a few of them. So go ahead and take the opportunity, browse through them, and then you're going to e-sign here and hit I agree. Next, it's going to ask you for email verification so that it can have, again, these two-factor authentication for your trades. Again, when it's a major financial transaction, they want to keep you safe. So here, you'll input that information, and then you're going to hit submit. All right, that's it. Congratulations, application submitted for approval. So then you're going to hit complete. So now it's got everything set up. So you're just going to have to wait for a couple days for it to give you the verification that it's been completed. Then you just simply link your bank account and you'll go in, you'll make that $100 deposit, and then you'll be able to see your free stock pending once that clears. And then once it gets into your account, then you can redeem it, and then it takes a couple days to settle. But then you can sell it right away if you want. You can hold it, whatever you want to do. You could sell it all, take the $100 back out, but you get it, and then you have access to a really powerful platform that you can use to trade your index funds, ETFs, individual stocks if you are so inclined, though I don't necessarily recommend it. And so it's all available right here on a simple, easy to use app. So hopefully this was helpful to you, and you can take advantage of this to get your free stocks. Again, the link's in the description. Comment below and let me know what free stocks you got. I'd be interested to hear what you got because I got GE when I first signed up, which I thought was a pretty good bet. And so I want to know what you get. So leave a comment below, let me know, and make sure to subscribe and tune in next time, and I'll see you then.